I am Edward Francis. I have been a migration consultant for the past 17 years. With my colleagues George Kurian and Susan Chandy, we have a combined work experience of over 50 years. Friends, this YouTube blog is about parent visa. In the last 17 years of my practice, I often get phone calls from concerned families asking us, how do we bring our parents? So I thought the best way is to do a small YouTube blog. Here are some options for you to bring your parents. There are two types in the parent category: contributory parent visa and non-contributory parent visa. Contributory parent visa is for parents where the applicant pays the higher visa application charge in return for a faster processing time. Non-contributory parent visa, the processing time is approximately 30 years. Contributory parent visa applicants must also pay a larger assurance of support bond with a longer period than the normal parent visa applicants. Here is the link that refers to Immigration Department's website that refers to parent visa. Parents and sponsors. All parents must be sponsored, and the sponsor will usually be your adult child who's living permanently in Australia. Must meet the balance of family test. Must meet the health and character requirements. Parents must have an assurer who will provide assurance of support. There are 6 options for parent visas. It is very important to note, if a parent is in Australia and they have a no further stay condition imposed on their visa they hold or last held, they won't be able to apply for any type of parent visa whilst they are in Australia. Here are some examples of parent visa applicants. In our case study 1, Singh and his wife Kaur, aged 68 and 65, are in Australia on a visit visa. They have 4 children, 2 are settled in Australia and are citizens. They do not have 8503 on their current visa. As they meet the balance of family test and are aged over 65 years, the best option for Singh and his wife Kaur would be to apply for the following visas. They will be granted bridging visa to stay back until their visas are processed. In our case study 2, Zhang and his wife Ying are 52 and 50 years old. Their only child is a citizen of Australia. What are their options? They are in Australia on a visit visa and wish to stay back, but their current visa also has a condition 8503, no further stay. As you would see, they meet the balance of family test and they can apply for the following visas. However, they have to be offshore. As they have 8503 on their current visa, they cannot apply while being onshore in Australia. Lucas and his wife Julia are 63 and 60, have 3 children, and are visiting Australia to meet one of them who is an Australian citizen. They like living in Australia and want to know if they can apply for a parent visa since one of them is an Australian citizen. Unfortunately, they will not qualify as they do not meet balance of family test, as they have only one of the 3 children living in Australia.
As you have seen from these examples, each parent visa application has different requirements. So do consult us and we should be able to assist you.